Here's Davinci Resolve. I want to render my video, add to render queue, and I get this message: add with offline clips. One or more clips have missing or offline source. Add with offline clips. So look at the entire timeline. Go back to the edit tab. Press Shift Z on the keyboard. Shift Z again to show everything. And which clip is red? That one is red. So go there. It's a music, it's an MP3. So if it is red, that means that the file is not there. And I think I deleted it, so I will go to the recycle bin. Type in here lost, and there it is. So the lost myself MP3 is in the recycle bin, it's deleted. So right click on it, restore. Go back to Davinci, and now suddenly that lost myself is not red but green. Okay, now go to the deliver tab. The same thing, add to render queue. It was added here and the message was not shown in the center. And when I click on render, it is rendering it. So make sure your file is not red, and if it's red, get it back. In this case it was in the recycle bin, and the rendering should work just fine.